Well, all it says is join forums and online communities, but it doesn't say which ones and what do you get from joining those, etc. So I've got a document. If you go to theguyrcookreport.podbean.com, look at the Google document in there about join forums and online communities. If you're on YouTube, you can see what I'm saying. If you're not, you're just listening. And I've got a link in there, in that Google document, a link to Reddit, Stack Overflow, and LinkedIn. It's 3 of the pick of the litter groups to start with anyway. And if you go down in the document, there's why join online communities, and it talks about networking, learning, sharing expertise, gaining feedback, and establishing presence. I think in these days, everybody wants to be an influencer, so if you can establish your presence a little bit by answering some questions, well, there you go. So, effective ways to engage, it says participate actively in discussions. Share valuable content. When you find a pearl in the oyster, put it in the forum and let other people know, because they're probably looking too. I did that once with how to add context into a dial-up phone, and it's the #1 video on YouTube that I've got. Nobody else had it. I got it. You can get it. That's what I always say. I got them, so you can get them. Anyway, it talks about the best practices for community engagement, the call to action. If you're going to be online, be interactive in your engagement. That is to say, from time to time, you're going to ask a question that will generate an ask and then create a conversation, etc. So, like I said before, I've got them, so you can get them. Hey, to contact me, use the secure contact form on guyrcook.com. If you like this episode on YouTube, and give it a thumbs up on youtube.com and click the bell to subscribe to future episodes. It's a wrap.